Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Where do I start? Just had a crappy week, and yeah, stuff's going pretty hard with my mom, and it's rough, part of life, but I thought I'd show you what I'm gonna do to try to make myself feel better. Last night I had a few beers and bawled my eyes out and lost my mind, and now I'm paying for it today. So I'm gonna make something enjoyable. So first off, I'm using this. It's ham-flavored ramen, basically. So I'm gonna throw a bunch of stuff together and make some foods. So let's see. Hope everybody's doing good. What else is going on? Drop the noodles in. We had ants. There's been a battle of ants lately, and I think they're all gone. Got the stuff, they eat the food, and then they bring it back to the colony and go, here you go, queen ant, and then that is that. No more ants. It's bug genocide here, which I'm cool with. I don't know. But yeah, you're getting an episode today. With when I'm not reviewing. I mean, I haven't done a regular review it's been a few days. And my plan is, well, right now I've been doing a ton of walking, and my plan is today or tomorrow I'm going to hit 1 million steps in a month. This is the 29th of June. Tomorrow's the 30th, and that's that. And I'm going to be able to hit 1 million steps this month, no sweat, which will be my biggest record ever. And I'm going to take a complete week off, and devote my time not to doing all this exercise and stuff, but to chilling, reflecting, and getting the next, I'm thinking maybe I can get 4, maybe 5 top 10 lists done. Head up to my hometown, and for the 4th of July, hang out, do some barbecue. I don't know. It's really hard. You guys haven't been following. Yeah, my mom's dying right now. She's unresponsive. It's probably one of the biggest things I've gone through, next to getting married, having kids. I mean, it's mom, and I don't know. It's like nothing I've ever gone through before. One time I'm wow, why am I not as broken up as I feel like I should be about it? And then bam, it's just a waterworks. That's just insanity. Just uncontrollable bawling, Not trying to be a downer today, but it's a bummer. It's a real bummer. I got spring onions. I got cheese. One of my favorite controversies that went on ever. I like controversies. My favorite one was some New York Times reporter mentioned that they really liked putting processed cheese in their South Korean instant noodles. And people flipped out. It's like what you're doing is like, you're trying to Americanize this other culture and gentrify it and do this and that. And then like all these South Korean Americans and South Korean came on there and they started tweeting, actually this is something we do. We've been doing this for a long time. This isn't them being this way or that way. This is just something we do. So that was pretty funny. So I think at this point, I'm not even using a timer. I don't usually use a timer if I'm making something for myself. Yes. Hell yeah. Garlic naan. Perfect for a hangover. Okay. I'm gonna add some spring onions in. Like a lot. I'll have to say, I really like onions. I don't like cutting my fingers off, but I like onions. And I got some ham. This is actually a ham-flavored instant noodle. There are... I can't think of any other... God, at least it's still good. It smells good to me. Some Black Forest ham lunch meat. What I think is funny is, you know, a lot of people are like, how do I make my ramen better? And this and that. It's like, dude, really? Just add crap to it. Add what it, whoa, trying to roll away. Just to add whatever you like. I mean, it's like, think of a pizza. You like pizza? You know, when you order a pizza, do you like add your own junk to it? Just add your own junk to it. It really isn't that hard. People seem to like to watch me doing it, so not ordering pizza, but adding junk to ramen. But yeah, I think egg time. But yeah, this whole, I'm trying to get to 1,000,000 steps. At first I was just doing it for me, and now I'm doing it for my mom, because it's like, I'm dedicating my endeavor to my mom, and my sister put up a GoFundMe for her medical bills, because it's like, you know, we're not a rich family, and there's like medical bills, there's like the place where she's at, and it's hard. There's it's like they want to bleed you dry. It's like, oh, you're not doing so well health-wise? Well, that's gonna cost you. And then, oh, end of life stuff? Oh, you're not gonna need that where you're going, so let's, I mean, I understand, but still, it just sucks. So, to everybody who's helped, I really, really appreciate it. Me and my sister are like super great gratitude. But yeah, some processed cheese and egg. This is like, as far as comfort food goes, this is my go-to, and I need comfort. Oh yeah, boy. But now it's about finding a bowl that's the right size. Something I can use while I sit on the couch, nosh my noshables, while I'm crawled on by children. I don't want it to spill all over me. So I need a big bowl. What? You guys are being funny out there. Alright. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I really like this bowl. It's really deep, and it's kind of a hard one to wrangle unless you've got a lot of food to put in the bowl. And this is a pretty substantial amount. It should be substantialicious, like the Snickers bars say on them sometimes. Do I want to put on here? I don't think I'm done. I need to do more. By the way, not recommending these. These are just kind of gross. I don't know. Maybe a Baconator burger might not be bad, but I don't know. I don't like ground beef. Just never. I mean, you know, I used to like burgers. Now it's just like, burp up these little bits of beef. Ugh. What do I have? Gotta have something. I don't need anything salty to add. I might just have some, yeah, I should have some naan bread on the side. I was kind of thinking maybe I would go the Indomie route. I might do that tomorrow. Could do that, just make a heap of Indomie. I don't know. It's kind of to the point where it's just like, do the food fallback, screw the diet. Then again, a million steps, I mean. But, yeah. Well, I guess I am doing reviewing and junk still. Kinda. I mean, this is just like my personal favorite kind of thing. Let's make it a little spicier. So this is like a fancy little shichimi, and oh, it sounds kind of good. Usually I do these shows in the afternoon. Right now it's like 8 a.m. And my wife just got to work. That's what that noise is. Ooh, since I'm being naughty on the diet, I could throw some, no, that sounds like too much salt. I was gonna say some Laogan Ma chili crisp, which I will do that eventually. I'll do some, I think maybe this week will be the week of watch me make some breakfast. So, let's get you in here. There you go. Alright friends, this has been Hangover Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and every day. Call your mom. Bye.